Yeah. Welcome to the vlog.
So are we recording the argument?
Yeah.
So the sign behind me that I walked over to is Lynn Mouse, the mouth of the Lynn Creek. So the creek is Lynn Creek, but the park is Lynn Mouse, saying it's the beginning of Lynn Creek. It's not really, because the creek's still going, but comes from the mountain, goes down to the ocean.
Yeah.
Even in the summertime, there's a lot of water.
Yeah, I'll show you here. See? Right in the middle of North Vancouver.
It's a very popular place. You got to be careful because, of course, it's a real spawning salmon creek.
Really?
But as the open fence shows, you're allowed to bring your dog down and let them play in the water. So there's a choice of paths. I don't know if I'm going to get Amanda lost here. This area's got some family areas. Here's a nice little picnic area. The oasis, this creek, and the picnic areas and the walking is all in the middle of what's called the North Vancouver, which is part of Metro Vancouver. So we're on the North Shore. The North Shore is divided into North Vancouver and West Vancouver. A little history here, because they've been renovating, of course, you can see the orange. Can you see the orange at the top of the old orange bridge over there? See, that used to be a green one on this side, an orange one on this side. The highway goes up what they call the cut locally, up the highway up the North Shore Mountain. Anyway, they're replacing it with modern bridges, changing the highway around, driving everybody crazy in the short term, of course. So there's a plaque talking about 1913 Keith Road Bridge, and then 1946 number 2, and then 2016 number 3. And I don't know if they're still working on 20. The bench here is kind of neat. It's designed like a street with a yellow line down the middle. And drainage vents like in the street. Pillars like a bridge. It's interesting what they did. It's kind of neat. We're going to go up these stairs and over and down. I don't know if you guys can see the stairs the other side. That's where we're going down. So you can see the creek underneath the highway bridges. Have we made it? Up the stairs. There's Amanda looking excited. There's the creek. We're going over to the other side there. Amanda was just commenting at how clear the water is. I don't know if I can show it to you guys.
You could be able to see fish in that no problem if there was any.
Exactly.
That's pretty clear.
When there's fish, you can see them. We're very fortunate. How about over here? Can you guys see the rocks on the bottom? See? We have good water. Very fortunate in Vancouver. So hopefully the glare is not too bad for you guys. There's the creek. There's the path that we're going to go on. There's the stairs. There's Amanda. We're going to come down these stairs. And instead of going underneath, you can go all the way up to the mountains if you wanted to. We're going to go back down the creek. There's Amanda. Amanda should have Gerry. I've got Gerry. So we caught up with Amanda, walking along the path. It's a sensitive salmon nursery. There's Gerry. Just like a backpack for a kid. Amanda's got a backpack for Gerry. And there's for the teenagers, or teenage at heart. There's a skateboard park. There's several around here. There's a nice fall tree, all that yellow. See, guys? It's like Gerry, Amanda photobombed. We're almost at the end. I can hear Amanda's voice in my head. Here's a sign, and you guys know how I like signs. So, I don't know if you can read this, but you are here. So it's part of the, as it says, the Sea to Sky Trail. And down at the end there, maybe we'll do that another day, sunny day, there's a 3-story viewing tower down on the ocean and the harbor. If you like harbors and boats, great place to walk. There's the, see, Lynn Creek.